Hello everyone, welcome back to the module. So now we are going to put them into action and we are going to put them into action to do some face recognition, and we are going to do it through webcam. That I am going to put my webcam and we are going to protect my eyes and face. What we will be doing is we will be working with Cascades, that is with OpenCV, to do face recognition and stuff. And the folder is going to contain Cascade, and so we need to be in this particular folder because we will be calling the Cascade to execute our code. Okay, I'm very excited to start this. Actually, right now I want to tell you that the more we evolve in the codes, more the models will be working. We have some much better models today. We see that with object detection. For object detection, we will be using something much more powerful than OpenCV2. I will let you find about the surprise, but still OpenCV is going to do some great stuff here for face recognition. Okay, but keep in mind you should really follow the codes until the end, because we will be working with some much more powerful models. So this is the right folder. Then we have the cascades for the eye. The cascade that we will be using to detect the eyes and the web, that is my eyes. Okay, but you will use the code to detect eyes too. I will show you how. And the cascade to detect face was this, but this is what we will use for OpenCV to do these face protections. And now we are going to start. Okay, so as you can see here in this first section, here in the libraries, and of course the only library we need here is OpenCV, and that is silly to say make sure you import too. I already imported it. I'm going to execute the whole code in the end, but make sure that you import. That's entirely compulsory. Okay, and the reason why we don't import much more is actually we are not doing some deep learning stuff here. If you noticed, the intuition lectures of Cascades are really not some neural network. This deep series of filters, but this is not a series of layers. So OpenCV Cascades are based on not based on any neural network. Okay, and that is why OpenCV we don't need to import any neural network libraries like tortured libraries, a TensorFlow or anything. We just need OpenCV, and what we need from OpenCV is mainly the cascade. Okay, and that is exactly what we are going to do now. We are going to be loading the cascades. One cascade for the face and one cascade for the eyes. To do this, we are going to create two objects because there are going to be some objects of some class that is called cascade classifier, which I will be going to mention in this line. In this class will take the arguments exactly the XML file that contains the cascade. Okay, so the first object will take an argument while the frontal face cascade and the second object will take its argument. We are going to create a first object here, the face, and we are going to call it is cascade. And here we type name of the class, which is cascade class. See a cascade class classifier. Alright, and as I just said in the argument, here we just need to put one argument, which is the name of XML. And since we are starting with spell, and we need to put exactly the hard cascade underscore frontal face underscore default SNL, but we need to put all this stuff in the code. There we go. Let's do the hair cascade underscore frontal face underscore default, and there we go. SNL and Guts will import Cascade for the face. So as a reminder, Cascade is a series of filters that will apply one after the other to detect the face. Alright, so now we are going to do exactly the same for the eye. So I have already copied the previous line to be efficient and basic in here. What I did, I just face cascades by eye cascades. Alright. And let me move to the next session. Here we are going to create a function that takes input as the image in black and white, and the original image which is said to be frame, and that will return the same image with rectangles, not the triangles, rectangles. And here, using this particular line, we are going to apply detect a multi-face method. Face cascade to locate one or several faces in the image. And then for each detected face, we are going to write this for loop. Okay, now we are going to paint a rectangle around the face. This is how exactly we assign the values. These were the values said to be accurate, and you can try changing them. And we are going to get the region of interest in the black and white. And then we get the region of interest of color image now. Then we are going to apply detect multi-face method to locate one or several eyes in the image. I'm just going to copy that face thing, and then I'm going to replace faces with eyes. and I will repeat the entire process by changing required modifications. And I will change gray to ROI underscore gray, and I will modify these values to 1.1. Here we go. And now we are going to use for each detector eye as we used before for the faces. Then we are going to paint a rectangle around the eyes, but inside the referential of the face. You got my point, right? This was entirely the same stuff with the required modifications. Then let me return the image with the detector rectangles. Just backspace. Then back. Okay. Return the detector rectangles. To the frame we can. Moving on to the final section. Video underscore capture equal to cv2.video capture This is how we turn our webcam on. Sorry again. Captain true. Okay, now. We are asking to repeat infinitely until the break. And this is how we get the last frame. Okay. .read function. To get the output of our detected function, we use this gray equivalent to cv2 dot cbt color frame comma. Sorry, small cv2. Dot color bg2 gray bgr2. Canvas, small canvas. We get our output of our detect function. Later on, we display the output using canvas. Let me show you how canvas works. Video, comma, canvas. And here 0x double f equal to odd q on. We can change the letter to exit. We can get any of the key, and we are going to break the loop by here. Then now we are going to request to the webcam to be off. Then we destroy the windows inside which images are displayed using cv2.destroy all windows function. This is all my code, and I am going to run. Hi everyone, I'm so excited. This is how my face and my eyes were detected. Thank you all.